Hong Kong stocks have had a massive run-up. I mean, we're talking a bull market, world-beating. What is the story? What has changed?
Well, interestingly, this is a sentiment shift. And there's a couple of things which have come together in the past few days which are helping to fuel it, because it's not really about the data. Just over the weekend, the China industrial profits were quite disappointing, showing that there's still sluggishness in the Chinese economy. But we can certainly point the fingers in two specific directions. Elon Musk, thank you very much for visiting China. He's done a huge job to lift sentiment there. And the analyst reports we saw at the end of last week saying that the property market is about to turn. So the people that have been very negative on things like Evergrande, and correctly so for a long time, finally saying it's time to turn and look at property seriously. And there's been a couple of small incidents as well where some of the legal cases going on in Hong Kong, they've been given more time for the property companies to come together with a plan. So that's also a positive as well. But really, it's a massive shift in sentiment. People probably finally buying into the idea Chinese stocks have been undervalued for a long time, and now let's start putting money to work.
What path will this rally take? Will it be straight line up? Will it be volatile? Is there a sense how this will play out?
It's difficult to imagine a straight line because in the background, you've still got the uncertainty over the currency. The central bank in China has been keeping the yuan, in a way, artificially strong against the US dollar. And as Everett was just saying, dollar yen is going through the roof. Now, that is not good for the Chinese currency because the trading partnership between the two currencies is so big. China can't really afford to allow its currency to be too strong against the Japanese yen, which it's been doing. So now it's buying time for itself. Can it afford to wait a little bit longer, hoping that the Japanese authorities come in and do it a favor, or do they sit back? That in the background for investors is a big question mark, because if you start throwing money into the Chinese market and there's a risk that the currency doesn't do what you want, you're going to start to lose money on that side as well.